Hi everyone, welcome back to Conversion Chef YouTube channel. Did you just hear the term AliExpress Dropship Center, but don't know how to leverage it for dropshipping in 2021? Alright, that's what we're gonna see today. Dropshippers are struggling with negligible revenues and are in search of improving their sales. Take notes and see how AliExpress Dropship Center might help you. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the tools offered by AliExpress Dropship Center. The first one is the product research tool. So this is the product research tool or the find products to sell. So as the name implies, the product research tool allows you to search for the right products. So to find the right products for your dropshipping store, you should approach searching the right way. So AliExpress Dropship Center lets you efficiently search the products in 3 different ways. More the ways, simpler the task. So the first way is the hot selling tool. So this is the hot selling tool. This tool lets you find the most popular products in the marketplace and lets you know which in-demand products would be the best for your dropshipping business. On the hot selling, you can either filter the search result by the different places of origin of the products like Spain, Italy, Turkey, Russia, and Brazil. You can also search for products here or select a category. So ship from, ship to, and many more filters. So if you have a product in mind, for example, towels or pet beds, then just search for it. And then the search results, they will be showing you the best products or the hot selling products with that searches. So the second one is the search by image. So perhaps you had found the perfect product through a WhatsApp image your friend had forwarded to you. Now, in the middle of the night, you remember, oh Lord, I need to get this product for my store ASAP. So, however, when you Google search the image, all you see is some Chinese alphabets flashing on your screen. So, with this tool, the Find Products to Sell or Search by Image, you can drop that image right into the search bar and check if your product matches AliExpress Dropship Center's inventory. So the third one is the sponsored products. This search option allows you to find those products that are being promoted through advertisements. So this can be a good sign since a seller is adding the additional effort to make its products reach out to the buyer. But remember to be aware of those scammers that make new stores to trick the buyers. Another important thing on the AliExpress Dropshipping Center is the DS price. Before I explain what DS price is, let me tell you what DS actually means. So DS refers to dropshippers and DS levels refer to the experience level of the dropshipper at AliExpress. So this is the filter of exclusive DS price. So DS price is the exclusively discounted products for dropshippers that AliExpress sellers provide. So based on the dropshipper's level, the price may vary. So another thing to note here is orders. So the orders, which means the orders that are open for purchase to normal customers. So the DS orders refer, or this one, so the DS orders refer to the number of products that dropshippers can order. Now let's go to the analysis tool or the product analysis. So this tool allows you to analyze the performance of a product over time. So let me show you how. So let's search for a product. Okay, let's say this one. Just go to the product page and copy the product URL. Now go back and paste the product URL and click the Analyze button. Afterwards, this tool allows you to analyze the performance of a product over time. So this product performed the best on Feb 18, 2021. So you can see here the performance of this product over time. Now that you have seen the different features of AliExpress Dropshipping Center, one question: how would you activate or add Dropship Center to AliExpress? So this is very easy, just follow this step. So I'm just gonna show you how. So let's say that you are on the dashboard of AliExpress, then just click your account here. And then just click on account again. Afterwards, it will already show you the Dropshipping Center beside it. So just click that. And you're already on the Dropshipping Center of AliExpress. So that's just how easy it is to go to or activate and add Dropshipping Center to AliExpress. So just create your account and go to the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. So that's it. That's just how easy it is to set up your AliExpress Dropshipping Center and the different features of this one. So it is a very great feature of AliExpress because it helps dropshippers in a different aspects of selling or searching for a product. So I hope that you have learned something from this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!